How to get a woman to act right. See, guys, when you dealing with women, bro, you must always have 304s. You must always have women around you. You must always. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. A lot of y'all dudes, when y'all get in a relationship, you be wanting to cut your 304s off. You wanna cut all your hoes off for your woman. You wanna show your woman your phone. You wanna show her that you ain't talking to nobody, bro. You know you killing the mystery by doing that, right? You know she's getting turned off by you doing that, right? I know you cutting your 304s off for her because you think she like that. You think that's going to turn her on even more. But by you cutting your 304s off, you turning her off. The reason why your woman don't respect you, the reason why your woman keeps slapping you across your face, the reason why your woman keep calling you out your name, bro, is because she know that you don't have no options. A woman must know you have options at all fucking times. At all times. That's how you get them to act right. You having options. You can replace them. When a woman feel like she can get replaced, she's going to fucking act right. She's not going to be calling you out your name, cuss you out, giving you some bullshit. She's not finna do none of that because she know that she can get replaced. Your woman must know that she can get replaced for her to act right. Yes. I'm not saying, bro, you have to sleep with a lot of women, but bro, you need to be talking to women. You need to be talking to women, right? You need to show her that, baby, don't get too comfortable. Bitch, don't get too comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Don't get too comfortable. Don't kick your feet up. See, when a woman get comfortable, guys, that's when a woman start playing games with you. That's when she start to give you tests. That's when she start to give you bullshit. You know what I'm saying? That's because she know that you don't have no options. She know that she can do whatever to you because she know that you ain't going fucking nowhere. No bitch can replace me. That's what she thinks in her head. No woman's going to replace me, so I can treat you any kind of way. I can do anything, and you ain't gonna do shit about it because you don't got no options. You don't got no women around you. A lot of y'all dudes in relationships, you giving your woman your location and shit. You giving your woman, you showing your woman your messages throughout your DMs and shit. Why is you doing that? Why? 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 That's turning her off. They ain't getting that wet. We'll get that wet as her seeing you getting other women. Her seeing you talking to other women. Her seeing you that you can sleep with other women if you choose to. Now, if you that dude that don't want to sleep with a lot of women, cool. You don't have to, bro. But you need to be talking to hell a lot of women. Period, point blank. Period, point blank. Fuck is you cutting your hoes off of her for? Then you get mad when she don't want to do shit for you no more. She disrespecting you and shit. You know what I'm saying? Because you cutting your 304s off. You think she cutting off all her dudes? Just because a woman show you her phone does not mean she's not talking to nobody, guys. Women is always talking to somebody. If your bitch is on Instagram, if your bitch is on social media, she's talking to somebody, right? Every time she show you her phone, she delete the messages already. She deleted the messages. She blocking the nigga, right? Don't think just because a woman show you her phone, she ain't talking to nobody, she ain't cheating on you. Bro, these bitches is talking to hell a lot of dudes a day. Even if you in a relationship with the bitch, she's still talking to somebody. These women are not fucking innocent. See, we live in a world today where they say, oh, men cheat more than women. No, women cheat way more than men. They just hide the shit. They just hide this shit. They delete the messages. They block the niggas. You know what I'm saying? So you won't find out. Why you think women so quick to leave? Women quick to leave because they already find a backup dude. Women always have a backup plan. You must always have a backup plan too. Bitch, if you act stupid, I can leave you. I can replace you. Don't get too comfortable. Don't think shit sweet. Shit not sweet. You can't do what the fuck you want to do when you're around me. And see, when you got that abundance mindset, when you can do what you want to do, that's when she start to respect you. That's when she start to do whatever you want her to do for you. Because she knows she can get replaced. Women don't like feeling like they can get replaced, guys. Why you think women get mad when you cheat on them? They not getting mad that you cheating on them. They getting mad at the bitch because the bitch took her place. That's why they mad. Guys, women are in competition. These bitches all competing with each other. They all competing with each other, guys, to get the best man. She don't want no woman to take her man. That's why she's fucking mad. You know what I'm saying, guys? You must always keep a woman on her toes. Y'all dudes be letting your woman get comfortable. No, baby, don't get comfortable. Your woman comes to your house looking all crazy and shit. At first, when your woman was coming to your house, she make sure her hair done, nails done, everything done. She make sure she smell good, look good. Now you been in a relationship with this bitch for a year or two. She just come to the house looking any kind of way. Baby, what you think this is? What you think this is? Baby, I need you to look good all the damn time when you're around me. Don't be looking all bummy around me. Don't. That's going to turn me the fuck off. Yes, that's going to turn me off. Yes. Right? When you first met me, you made sure you looked your best. Now that we in a relationship, now you want to look up any kind of way and crazy and shit. Ah, nah. No, you can't do that. You know what I'm saying, guys? You must keep a woman on her toes at all fucking times. Don't let these women get comfortable, bro. Do not let these women get comfortable. When a woman know that you got options, when a woman know that you can replace her, bro, that's when she start to act right. Right? You these days, you can't tell a woman shit. You just gotta show them. Show them. Right? When you go out in public, make sure you put that shit on. Make sure you smell good. Make sure you look good. She need to see that other women is looking at you so she can get fucking turned on. So she can get to understand that, baby, you can get replaced. Other women want me. Every time we go out, you see other women want me. You know what I'm saying, guys? Don't get it fucking misconstrued. Do not get it misconstrued. By you cutting your 304s off, the woman's not going to get turned on by you. You making her dry when you cut your 304s off. I don't understand why y'all dudes do that. Stop doing that. A lot of y'all dudes in relationships all comfortable and shit. You getting all fat. You getting all fat, ugly, broke, right? Because you spending all your money on this bitch because you ain't going to work every day because your woman telling you, oh baby, take the day off. Oh baby, don't go to the gym. You know what I'm saying? Your woman making you a fucking beta. Your woman making you a fucking loser. You listening to her. She's getting more and more turned off by you because you listening to her. When you got a lot of women around you, when you constantly putting yourself out there, you making sure you always on top of your shit. You making sure you always looking good. You making sure you always presentable. You know what I'm saying? You making sure you always got that mouthpiece, right? Baby, I can fucking replace you. Baby, I'm not like the rest of these beta males, baby. See, these beta males out here, they thirsty for box, right? They get comfortable when they're around you, or they get comfortable when they're in a relationship. But me, on the other hand, I never comfortable. I always want more. Always. Right? And you have to let the bitch know. You have to show the bitch. Don't tell her, just show the bitch. Baby, I can replace you. Never give your woman your location. I don't know why y'all dudes do that either. Guys, I never give a woman my location. Baby, you don't need to know where I'm at all fucking times. Right? Guys, your biggest power is having the woman mind. Right? You need to have the bitch thinking constantly like, damn, what is he doing? Why he out so late? Why he haven't texted me? Why he haven't called me? Why he smells so good today? Why he looks so good? Why? You know what I'm saying? You need to have the bitch questioning herself. Yes. Yes. Guys, you got to put these women in competition anxiety. These women need that. When the bitch is not in competition anxiety, she do what the fuck she want to do. She talk crazy, act crazy, talk to you crazy, right? And you wonder why. Like, damn, why shit going so south? It's because you cut your 304s off. It's because you not working on yourself. It's because you stopped self-improving. You thought shit was sweet when you got in a relationship. You thought shit was okay once you got in that relationship. Guys, the game don't end once you get in a relationship, bro. The game can still continue once you get in a relationship. You must keep the attraction high at all fucking times once you get in a relationship. But a lot of y'all dudes, once y'all get in a relationship, you want to get all fat. You want to stop going to work. You want to stop going to the gym. You want to stop improving on yourself. Right? So your woman making you a fucking loser. So by the time she do leave your ass, right? When she do leave your ass, you can't even like level up. You can't even talk to a new bitch because you ugly as shit. You fat as shit. You broke as shit. No woman want that. But guess what? She's always improving on herself. She's always making sure she look good when she step out. You know what I'm saying, guys? You have to play the fucking game. A lot of y'all dudes don't play the game. I'm never cutting my 304s off. Never. Right? Never. I'm not saying that you have to sleep with all these different types of women. I'm not saying that, bro. But your woman need to know that you talking to other women. Your woman need to know that you can, if you want to, sleep with other women. If you want to. Baby, don't get it misconstrued. If I want to sleep with another woman tonight, I can. Tomorrow, I can. Today, I can. Don't get it misconstrued. If you act stupid, if you act crazy, you're going to get fucking replaced. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I'm not going to keep going back and forth with you. Guys, I tell y'all damn near every video, bro, I don't go back and forth with women. Why? Why? Every time I go back and forth with a woman, bro, I get a fucking headache. My head start hurting. Then I ask myself what I'm doing. Every time I'm talking to a woman and she's trying to argue with me, in my head, I'm asking myself, what the fuck am I doing? Why the fuck am I going back and forth with this bitch? Why? These women are emotional. Women like to fucking argue. You know what I'm saying? So don't try to convince the woman or persuade the woman that you got other women. Show the woman that you can get other women. Show the woman that you talking to other women. You know what I'm saying? You got guys. You got to keep the attraction high. You have to. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You have to keep the woman attracted to you. Women get bored fast. You got too complacent. You got too comfortable, and that's why she left your ass. That's why she broke up with your ass, and that's why she cheated on your ass. Why you think women always go back after the dude that cheating on them? Why you think that? Right? Because women hate competition. Women don't like another woman to take her place. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all dudes, when y'all get in a relationship, you cut all you women off. You not talking to no woman. You not putting yourself out there. And then you wonder why your woman left you. And then you wonder why your woman talking to you all crazy and shit. Right? It's because you not putting in the fucking work. You not putting in the fucking work. You got too comfortable. You thought shit was sweet. You thought shit was all good because you see your woman smiling, you see your woman happy every day. Just because your woman happy every day, just because your woman laughing every day doesn't mean shit. She could still be fucking another nigga. Why she talking to you? She could still be fucking another dude. Why she talking to you all happy and laughing and shit? That shit don't mean shit, guys. You must always be working on yourself. You must always be self-improving, bro. You must always be putting yourself out there, even if you're in a fucking relationship. Even if. She need to know that shit ain't sweet. She need to know that, baby, don't get too comfortable. I can replace you. And once a woman know that she can get replaced, bro, that's when she start to act right. And that's how you get a woman to act right, guys. By having other women. By having options. Right? By always putting yourself out there. Always working on yourself. When a woman see you smelling good every day, when a woman see you dressing good every day, when a woman see you looking presentable every single day, she already know that you can talk to other women. She already know that you can get other women, right? But as soon as y'all dudes get in a relationship, or as soon as y'all dudes start talking to one woman, you cut all your 3 or 4s off. You start to get fat. You start to get lazy, right? You start to get comfortable. You start to get ugly. And then you wonder why the woman left you. And then you wonder why the woman cheated on you, right? Because your ass got too comfortable. Because your ass cut off all your 3 or 4s. You know what I'm saying, guys? Stop listening to these women. Always have a rotation. Always. Even if you're in a relationship. These bitches don't need to get comfortable when they're around you. You around me, you need to be on your fucking toes at all fucking times. At all times. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, that's the video for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, this your boy Daron. I'm out. Peace.